Today, we're highlighting a financing program tailored to forest producers looking to grow and modernize their operations across Canada. This initiative offers personalized financial support, including low-interest loans ranging from 0.3% to 0.6%, secured through the financial institution of your choice. Whether you're acquiring equipment, expanding production, or refinancing forestry-related debt, this program is designed to support long-term viability and sustainability. Eligible applicants must be over 18, hold or be in the process of obtaining a forest producer certificate, and present a project that contributes to the ongoing development of their forestry operation. Funding can be used to purchase woodlots or forest operations, acquire machinery, renovate buildings, carry out forest management work, or even buy back shares in a forestry business. With applications currently open, this could be the right time to invest in the future of your forestry business. If you're ready to grow with confidence and secure strategic financing, this program deserves your attention.